Hello friends, I Jashma Bhausar welcome you on my channel Mom's Magic Meals. Today we are going to cook 5-layered biryani with tomato curry. So let's see what ingredients do we need. I took 2 cups of raw rice and cooked it. Yeah, but just cook it 75%. Add salt while cooking the rice. This is half cup of green coriander chutney, half cup of melted ghee, 1/4 cup roughly chopped capsicum, 1 cup finely chopped red cabbage, cashew nuts, and half cup boiled green peas, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, finely chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, kesar, and fresh cream. For the curry, we need 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 black cardamom, 3 cloves, 2 star anise, 2 green cardamom, 1 small piece cinnamon stick, mace, and roughly chopped 5 medium-sized tomatoes. Now we'll prepare the biryani rice. Add 3 spoons of melted ghee in the cooked rice. Mix the ghee properly and divide the rice into 5 equal parts. This is the tin in which we layer the biryani. Grease the tin with melted ghee on all the sides. Now we will arrange the green peas in a circular form at the base. Arrange these cashew nuts in a flower form in the center of the tin. Put a green pea in the middle of the flower. This is how it looks. Now we will add the plain cooked rice at the bottom of the tin as the first layer. Cover it properly so that the green peas should not be seen. Press it well from all the sides. Now I will add a green layer on this. This is the second portion of the rice, and I will add 2 to 3 spoons of green chutney and mix it well. Spread it on top of the white layer. Arrange it properly so that the white layer is not seen. Press it well from all the sides. This is the third portion of the rice. I will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and garam masala and mix it well. This will give a reddish brown color to the biryani. Add this layer on top of the chutney layer. So this will give a white color, a green color, and a reddish brown color to the biryani. Spread it properly. And press it well from all the sides. This is the fourth portion of the biryani. I will add the purple cabbage to it. Add a pinch of salt because we have added the cabbage. And mix it properly. Add this portion on top of the reddish brown layer of the biryani. Spread it properly and press it well from all the sides. This is kesar. I have added 1 teaspoon of milk and I will blend this kesar in the milk and add it to the fifth portion of the rice. This will give a yellow color to the biryani. Mix it well properly. Now spread this yellow colored rice on top of the purple layer. Spread it properly and press it well from all the sides. Now I will turn this tin upside down in a plate and steam it for 15 to 20 minutes in hot water. Now we will prepare the curry. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. After the oil heats up, add the cashew nuts and roast it well till they turn brown. Now the cashew nuts have turned brown and I will add the jeera and the coriander seeds and mix it well. Now I will add the cloves, the black cardamom, the cinnamon stick, mace, star anise and green cardamom. Mix it well till it gives an aroma. Now I will add the tomatoes and cook it on a medium flame. Add little water to it. Cover it with a lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes till the tomatoes become mushy. After they become soft, turn off the flame and let it cool. After it cools down, blend it to a paste in a mixture. Heat a pan and add 1.5 tablespoon of oil. After it heats up, add asafoetida, turmeric powder and mix it well. Add the chopped capsicum and saute it well. Add salt to taste. Add red chili powder and mix it well. Now add the gravy and stir it well. Add half tablespoon of sugar. Sugar is completely optional. Now cover it with a lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Check it out and add little water and again cover it with a lid and cook it for another minute. Remove it in a bowl and add some cream to it. Garnish it with coriander leaves. Here the curry is ready. Now we will check the biryani rice. It has been steamed for 20 minutes. The biryani has been steamed for almost 20 minutes. Now I will pick up the tin slowly. Wow, a lovely 5-layered biryani is ready. Doesn't it look tempting? Friends, can you notice the 5 distinct colors? White, green, reddish brown, purple and yellow. Very soon I will come back with another mouth-watering recipe. Friends, if you have enjoyed cooking with me, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Mom's Magic Meals.